going to explain about trigonometry. I am explaining about the history of trigonometry. Here, in ancient days, 400 years ago, in order to calculate the pyramids and triangle, and the great mathematicians like Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, they are the contribute in the field of trigonometry. And the father of trigonometry is Hipparchus. So, when we enter to trigonometry part, there are several things regarding the trigonometry. So, firstly, I will explain Pythagoras theorem. So, there is right angle triangle. We know the statement of Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other sides. It can be proved by paper boat also. The paper boat proves itself. Here we make a paper boat. When we open this normal situation, it become like this. So here, when we open the paper boat, the angles are formed. It is a right angle triangle, it is an hypotenuse, these are the two squares. So now we consider as right angle as A, B, C. The proof of Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem is proof. Now I am going to explain about the basic ratios of trigonometry. There are 6 basic ratios like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Then sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent. Similarly, cosecant, secant, then cot. These are the basic ratios of trigonometry. So my friend explains about basic ratios of trigonometry. Let's move on to reciprocals. There is a relationship between these ratios. When we reciprocal these ratios, we can see sin theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. Similarly, cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. So cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. These are the reciprocals of these ratios. Now Indian currency is 1 rupee, and this 1 rupee is the most important in the mathematics, especially in trigonometry. See, cos theta plus tan theta is equals to 1, then cosecant theta into sin theta is equals to 1, then cos theta into secant theta is equals to 1. Now we can prove this. See, sin theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta by the reciprocal. Then cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta.
Sin theta into cosecant theta. Sin theta plus cosecant theta, right?
Sin theta into cosecant theta. There sin theta, cos theta we cancel, it get 1.
Yeah.
And this we can when we addition to this, where sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta, then tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. These are the identities of trigonometry. Now my friend explains about all these basic terms of trigonometry. Let's move on to some complicated topic that's called the standard values. So here you can see these are the basic ratios of trigonometry: sin, cos, tan, so on. So these are the standard values. The tan 0 degree is 0. The tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 value is 1, and tan 60 degree value is root 3, and tan 90 degree value is not defined. So not defined means there is so we can see 1 by 0 is not defined, so that is the not defined, and tan 180 degrees 0. It can be seen all values are standard values regarding any ratios. My friend explained about the standard values. Now we move on to the some applications of trigonometry. Now I am explaining about some applications of trigonometry. there are two angles like angle of elevation and angle of depletion. First we want to see angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means angle between a line of sight and the horizontal line. Above the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. Then angle of depletion, angle between a line of sight and horizontal line. Below the horizontal line is called angle of depletion.
So after knowing the all basic regarding trigonometry, here the situation. A person is watching the tower. So here this red color point, it is an observer, it is foot of tower and it is top of tower. So when a person watching towards the tower, here angle is formed that is 30 degree. So when we can calculate a foot of tower to observer, we can calculate by the help of scale also. So when a person move towards the tower, the angle is increases to 45 degree. Okay. So now can we calculate this? So the distance between observer to foot of tower is 30 centimeters. So here the angle is formed that is 30 degree.
45 degree? 45 degree. Oh, from there. Okay.
So if we want to calculate, if we want to calculate a triangular shaped objects, we can use a tan theta. So here tan theta is equals to opposite divided by adjacent side. This is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So theta means here that 30 degree is formed. It is tan 30 degree. Opposite side means it is A, B, C. Okay. It is we don't know what is the distance, what is the length of this.
We want to calculate the height of tower.
AB and adjacent side is BC. So here we can see tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So AB is we don't know what is the AB. The BC is the distance between 30. So now we want to cross multiply this. So we get AB is equals to 30 divided by root 3. So we can write 30 as
10 into 3
by root 3. So now